So Google used to have a keyword tool. It was actually called the Google AdWords keyword tool, and it allowed you to type in keywords and phrases, and it would show you what the competition is like, how many results per month or per day or whatever, and you could target exact phrases and keywords, or kind of a general, just having them in a general area as far as keywords and phrases. But that is now gone, and the keyword planner has replaced that tool. This is actually the keyword tool and the traffic estimator that Google had. They're both put together for the keyword planner. So you might want to go over this page, this adwords.google.com/keyword tool, and read a little bit about it, and then next steps, learn how to use the keyword planner. Let's see. There's videos you can watch. Let me see if I'm going to find a link to it. So I guess you have to create a campaign. So under Tools and Analysis, we want to go to AdWords. That's where it's available to us. Let me sign in here. Okay, so we want to go to Tools and Analysis and Keyword Planner. And in all honesty, I really liked the AdWords keyword tool, and I don't like that they did this, but it's just something we're going to have to live with. So what would you like to do? We can search for a new keyword and ad group ideas. We can get search volume for a list of keywords or group them into ad groups. We can get traffic estimates for a list of keywords, and we can multiply keyword lists to get new keyword ideas. Alright, so let's search for new keyword and ad group ideas. So enter one or more of the following: your product or service. So I want to use our sample site that we have. So let's just say home office organization, and we want to put our page in. Actually, we want the home page. Okay, your product category. We'll say business, I guess. Office. These look like all office supplies. Okay, we'll just leave it as that. Alright. And let's see, keyword filters. Let's say get ideas. Okay, so let's see, ad group ideas. Keywords like office design, desk home. You see, I don't really like this. This is more like creating an AdWords campaign, which I don't really want to get into. But right here is actually a lot of different useful keywords. Home office furniture, organizing home office design. So you can see this is pretty helpful as far as finding keywords. I just don't like getting into the AdWords part of it. I just would rather use it as a tool, much like how it used to be. So let's see, let's go back. start over. Alright, let's try this. Get search volume for a list of keywords. Alright, so let's enter home office organization, work from home. We could upload a file if we want. Targeting is fine. Let's see what we got. Okay, so this is really helpful. Work from home has the average monthly searches are 90,500. The competition, it tells us, is high. So this is AdWords related, but you can look and see how many times this is actually searched for per month. Home office, 12,100, high competition. So these all have high competition. Let's try some other stuff. Let's try computer repair, web design. And you can search for anything at all. Alright, so web design is 40,500. Computer repair, web development. Alright, so that's pretty low, web development. So you can log in here and just look around. There's a lot of different things. If you do want to use AdWords, I'd suggest using this in your strategy or your campaign. But generally, I like to use this just as a standard keyword tool.